A bathroom cabinet is an essential component of any bathroom. Not only does it provide storage space, but it also adds to the overall aesthetics of the room. Casa Custom explore key benefits of choosing bathroom cabinet. One of the most significant advantages of having bathroom cabinet is the additional storage space it provides. With a cabinet, you can neatly organize your toiletries, cleaning supplies and other bathroom essentials, keeping them easily accessible yet out of sight. Secondly, bathroom cabinet allows you to arrange your belongings in a systematic manner. With shelves and drawers, you can categorize your items, making it easier to locate them when needed. No more rummaging through different places to find your toothbrush or hair dryer. By choosing bathroom cabinet that complements the overall, you can greatly enhance its aesthetics. With different styles, finishes, and designs, you can find a cabinet that perfectly suits your taste and seamlessly blends with your bathroom theme into a visually appealing, stylish space. With bathroom cabinet can also keep belongings from moisture. The closed storage design ensures that your toiletries and makeup products stay dry and free from damage. Bathroom cabinets are designed to be easy to clean and maintain. Most cabinets are made from materials that are resistant to water and stains, keeping your cabinet looking fresh and hygienic. Follow us and get more details.